Hello, you're welcome. In this video tutorial, we'll explain you the project Mobile Plan Comparison. It's a VB.NET project. In this project, we'll show you how do we compare a different mobile network plans. This project is basically for all computer science students who are doing course in BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BCA, MCA, BSc, Diploma or any other computer course. So we all know as per your syllabus you're supposed to do a project. So it may be mini project or major project. In case if you require to do a desktop application project, or if you choose to do a desktop application project, in that case this particular video will help you much. Here if you can do this project in VB.NET or in C# or in Java or Android. You can make it as an Android project also. So once you know this project how it works, so what are the things will be covered in this, you can implement this project any of these languages. You can also make online project, so using the same idea, same concept. This video will help you to gain language skills. So language skills means, so we're talking about VB.NET. So we'll explain you how we can do it in VB.NET. So therefore you get an idea. So what is form, what is the database, what is table, how do we do connectivity, some coding and all will show you that. So therefore you will get some idea about the language. Domain skill. So when you talk about the domain, so we talk about the mobile plan. So if someone asks you to do mobile plan project in a particular language, you should know how to do that. Therefore this video, after watching it, you will come to know this is the way you can do it. After that, maybe you can come up with a new idea or you can improve it. You can do a lot, but knowing what should be there. So that is what very important. That gives a domain idea. Work experience. So if you write this project by yourself after watching this video, that's great. And that will give you work experience. So you don't need to go to company to get an work experience. So here, because if you have a computer, you can always install the software and do this project, you gain the experience. If you do 2-3 projects, so then you have a 2-3 project experience. If you work for 6 months, then you have a 6 months work experience. That's how you can gain the experience. Mobile plan comparison. I'll just show you how the design, what should be there in this project, how it works. So mobile plans, we already know there are different networks. So each company will provide a different plans. So if we want to enter all this data, therefore when the user wants, so they can explain to the user, okay, this is the plan available. So this is what the advantages here. So once you make the database ready, and we can give to all the mobile stores this particular software, they can use in their mobile store to explain to the customer. So therefore, so this is the system. This is the mobile plan. So first we need to enter all the companies, network companies, mobile network companies. Right. So we have Airtel, BSNL, Jio, VI. So all the details we can enter it here. Then next, so there are two types. One is a postpaid and then prepaid. So that details we need to separate. So postpaid schemes are different, prepaid schemes are different. Then what is the scheme? Then what is the call charges here, or what is the data usage? Then what are the advantages, disadvantages? Same thing is applicable here also. Then we can give a comparison. So comparison shows, once select the company, so what are the plans are available. So each plan, what are the things are there. So therefore we can view all these things. Then easily we can explain to the customer. So this is the main idea of this particular project. So here is the software requirement. What are the softwares are required to develop this particular application? So here we are using VB.NET. Therefore we are using Visual Studio, and backend is SQL Server. Project forms. I'll just show you what are the forms we are using in this particular project. So compare form. So compare form is to compare the mobile plans. Company network form. So what are the network likes? Our company names. Flash screen is the welcome screen. The first screen will show the project name. That's the flash screen. Login form to log into the project. MDA parent, this MDA form which will have the menu through which we can able to navigate to the rest of the forms. Mobile company, so this is to enter the mobile company details. Module basically to declare global variable and functions. Number of customers form, here is a one sub form, so where you can give that particular company details. Post mobile plans, paid info, and then post scheme. These three are the about scheme. Same as there's a pre mobile plans, prepaid info, and pre scheme. So these are about three things we consider. What is a scheme? What is the information about that particular scheme? And what is the charges for the call or data that is there? So that we need to enter into this particular, that we can enter in that particular form. Now we'll see about the tables. What are the tables we are using in this project? So here we are using Microsoft SQL Server. Backend is Microsoft SQL Server. So the backend is Microsoft SQL Server. So here are the tables. So we have around 10 tables. One is company info. So here is the company details. Login table, login credentials. Network tab, what are the network details? Number of users of the particular company. Post call charges, post info, post scheme. So as I told already, so these three are for the postpaid and these three are for the prepaid. So for more details, please log on to iblix.blogspot.com. So where we have a complete list of project list, we have synopsis, we have some documents, you have videos, and also you can log into our website iblix.com to get the more details. Project demo, I'll show the demo of the project. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe by clicking the subscription button. And also you can share this video with your friends, and you want to say something to us, so please write it in the comment box and then submit it. So you record a Visual Studio. So I'll just start the Visual Studio. So if you go to this about Visual Studio, it's a Visual Studio 2019. It's a community edition. So it's a free edition. In case you are not yet installed Visual Studio, if you want Visual Studio, so you just go to browser and search for Visual Studio 2019. And you can see there's a Microsoft website. Here there is an option called the free Visual Studio. Click here. Here is Visual Studio Community. So it's a free download. You click here to download this software to your system. After download is complete, you can install it. So once the installation is over, you can able to build the project. Fine. So let's come back. So we already opened the project here. So you can see that this is a Solution Explorer. Here all the forms names are there. So these are the forms. And if you go to Server Explorer, here we have a database, and then if you expand the tables, you can able to see the tables here. These are the tables. So this is a Server Explorer. These are data connections. We are connected with the data connections to this database. Now let me run the project for you. So you can see this is a welcome screen. So where we have a picture. So you can change the picture, or you can put the picture you want. Then next is the login form. So in a login form, you need to log in using the login ID and the password. If you enter the wrong password, so naturally it will show the message box. Please enter the correct user ID and the password. If it's correct password, so it will take me to the MDA form. So here is the main entries, mobile company. Which are the companies? Presently we already enter Airtel, BSNL. So you can keep on enter the multiple companies. Now to enter this, click new button, enter all the details, then save. In case you want to modify anything, first you click the data over here. This is the data grid control. And then let's say we want to modify, here is a info@bsnl.com. So website is bsnl.com. Mobile phone. So you can click the modify button to modify this record. So if you don't want this record, you can click the delete button, and then we can delete it. So next, company wise customers. So for each company, how many customers they are having. So in each state or in the region. So we can divide, here is country India. So therefore you can divide into 4 divisions: south, north, east, west. Like in that, how many customers are there. So therefore give an idea. So how many customers they are serving. So you need to do for every company. So BSNL you need to enter, and other companies you create, even for that you have to enter here. company network. So what is the network capacity? So all this we need to enter it here. So here is a company name, network type, network availability, city, rural, number of towers, overall service. So like that details we need to enter. So this again we need to enter for every company. Next comes to the prepaid. Here are the plans, prepaid plans. So here I already entered one actually. So this is Airtel prepaid plan. So this is 1.5 GB every day, 90 days validation. So likewise, you need to enter more plans here or schemes. Once you enter the schemes, then you have to enter the call charges. For 499, I enter the call charges here. Same way for other things when you create, you need to enter the details. So click new and select the plan here and then start entering the details. So next one, plan info. About this particular plan you have to write. So what is this plan is all about, how this works, what are the conditions are there, that we need to write here. So again for new plan, so you need to select the plan here and then you have to write down the scheme here. Same way postpaid. So what are the plans for postpaid plan, that we need to write. Then you have to write call charges. In postpaid, what are the call charges? Then you have to write the plan info. About the particular plan, you have to write. Next is a comparison. So when you come to the comparison, so if you select prepaid, so you can see both the companies will appear here. If I select Airtel, what are the plans are there, that plans will come. When I select 499, the details will come here. What are the call charges, that will come. So now we can view this and we can explain to the customer. So if these things are ready, so we can explain to the customer. So now company can, so any new company can do this kind of applications, make it ready, and they can distribute to all the mobile stores throughout India or throughout the world. So it's a new idea, new concept. When it's implemented thoroughly, it'll have a lot of benefits for the stores. Fine. So what do you think about this project? Whether you like it or not, please write it in the comment box. So let me know what you think about. So in case you would like to contact us, use the mail ID or mobile number. Thank you for watching.